Morning. I just finished the dishes, and I knew you didn't want to watch that. And now, hi, Sammy. And now I'm fixing to cook Sammy's food. So she is sitting here patiently waiting. Are you patiently waiting? Huh? Yeah, I thought so. You want, what, peas and carrots? Oh, I have a bag open, don't I? I have a bag open. Don't open those. I'll be right back. I'll get you some, okay? Okay, is this what you wanted? Peas and carrots. I opened these the other day. I don't even think I gave you any then, did I? She says, yummy. You like your veggies, don't you? There you go. Now I gotta wash my hands. Oop, got some boiling rice. Turn it down on low. Put the lid on it and cooking some turkey. This is 1.5 pounds. Then I'll come back and cook the other 1.5 pounds. So she gets, well, I cook 3 pounds at a time. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's like dishes, cooking. Then I'm going to clean the camper a little bit. Yep, it needs some cleaning. Okay, there's 1.5 pounds. Add the peas and carrots. Got the other 1.5 pounds. And rice cooking. I'll be done here in a minute, Sammy. Then it has to cool down for a while. It's got to cool down. Okay, her food is ready. It's just got to cool off. And then I put it in 2 baggies, quart-size bags, and I put it in my little refrigerator. And why is that? Because my big refrigerator runs at anywhere, well, it got up to 64. Y'all see that? My big refrigerator is running at 47 degrees right now, and my little one's at 35. So any kind of meats or stuff like that, I put in the little refrigerator, which is right here under my table. I've got salads and dips and creamers and stuff like that in there. And in the big refrigerator, I'd put like veggies and, you know, stuff that doesn't really need to be refrigerated. But my freezer was working really good, so. All right, we'll just let that sit here for a little bit. What do you think? There's some rice. Would you like to go outside? Would you like to go outside? Let's go outside. Let's go enjoy some sunshine for a while. These sites here are so close. I'm sitting at my picnic table. There's the electrical pole to the other campsite. It's just so close. Every one of these campsites. This is the second time I've been here, and it's funny because Leslie asked me which one was my favorite campsite, state park in New Mexico, and I couldn't answer it. But I can tell you my least favorite. It's this one. Been here twice, and I just don't get it. I mean, and then you got this. It's like a plant or something back here. Every once in a while, a generator will kick on. It's got to be there because we all have electricity. So, yeah, it's pretty. The lake is way far from you. So that's another con. The pro is if you want to rent a boat. They got lots of boats, and the marina is pretty cool. But, yeah, it's not my place. It's not my favorite place, but the mountains and everything, as you can tell, I'm surrounded by mountains. They're beautiful. The water's beautiful. It's just I would like to be able to, I can get to it, but it's a pretty big hike. We did it last year, going down there to the water. Does Sammy do? She says, anytime I can go outside and rub in the rocks, the dirt, the grass, That's her favorite thing to. Hey, you got a little sticker on your butt. Come here. Come here. You got a little sticker on your butt. Come here. Oh, look. Little sticker on your butt. Yeah. Is this your favorite place, Sammy? She says, nope. Nope. What's your favorite place? She says, I don't know. And you got this all tangled up. It's hot out here, isn't it? Is she panting? It's hot out here, isn't it? Yeah, it's not even noon yet. I drove further north from Blue Water, thinking it would, well, because I had reservations. But I thought, oh, it's going to be a lot cooler here. It's not a lot cooler here. It's a lot warmer here. Looks like we're going to get some weather. Yeah. Need to put my chairs up so they don't get wet. And these poor people, they left. There's that trailer. I think they're all together. That trailer and this one over here. Their awnings. Awnings are flying up. I hope the wind doesn't pick up anymore and rip their awnings off. It's like, always put your awning in before you leave. It's the moral of that story. Yeah, because you never know when it's going to get windy, turn windy. Gosh. Yeah, that's scary. Scary, scary. At least it's one of those newer kind of awnings that, but I've seen it grab them and take them over the top of the camper.